January 4th is a particularly cosmic date, as it marks perihelion, the point in Earth's orbit when our planet is closest to the Sun. It might sound counterintuitive since much of the northern hemisphere is freezing its metaphorical socks off, but proximity to the Sun has nothing to do with seasonal temperatures. Seasons are caused by the axial tilt of the Earth, not by our distance from the Sun. So, while Earth is at its closest point about 91.4 million miles, 147.1 million kilometers from our star, you're still shivering in your scarf because the sunlight is striking your hemisphere at a shallower angle. Physics is just out here laughing at our thermometers. During perihelion, Earth's orbital speed increases slightly thanks to a little thing called Kepler's laws of planetary motion. When you're closer to a massive object like the Sun, gravitational interactions give you a speed boost. So, if Earth were a roller coaster, this would be the moment we all throw our hands up and yell. Earth zips along its orbit at about 67,000 miles per hour, 107,000 kilometers per hour on average, but during perihelion, it's slightly faster. Meanwhile, the Sun is glaring at us like a galactic speed camera, but thankfully, there's no ticket for this cosmic joyride. Interestingly, the Sun also appears slightly larger in the sky during perihelion because we're closer. The difference is subtle, so you won't notice unless you're equipped with sensitive instruments or a particularly overachieving pair of sunglasses. Still, it's a great reminder that the universe is constantly shifting and changing, even in ways that are imperceptible to us. And let's face it, it's a little comforting to know the Sun is giving us just a tiny bit more attention on January 4th. Solar favoritism, anyone. If you're into stargazing, January is also prime time for viewing the Quadrantid Meteor Shower, which peaks around the same date. These meteors are thought to originate from a mysterious asteroid-comet hybrid called 2003A1, a celestial body that sounds like it's having an identity crisis. As Earth plows through the debris left by 2003H1, tiny bits of space rock burn up in our atmosphere, creating a light show for anyone willing to brave the cold. Just think of it as nature's way of saying, Happy New Year with cosmic confetti. So, on January 4th, take a moment to reflect on the delicate dance of gravity, motion, and light that keeps our planet spinning through space. Whether you're admiring a shooting star, marveling at the Sun's slightly larger presence, or just watching the snow fall while laughing at how cold the closest day to the Sun is, you're part of something vast and spectacular. Science doesn't get more poetic than that.